Hello everyone, in this presentation I will be talking about single and multi-dimensional arrays in Java. We'll explore some practical examples to get a better understanding of these topics. Arrays are fundamental data structures used to store collections of elements of the same data type. Single-dimensional arrays are lists of elements accessed by an index. Elements can be of any data type. Let's take a look at this example. In this code of line, it declares an array of 5 integers. Here's another example. In this example, we declare and initialize an array of integers and calculate their sum. In this code, we declare an array of elements named numbers with a size of 5. We initialize it with values 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Here we can also access array elements. Array elements can be accessed using their index, which represents their position in the array. The first element is at index 0, the second element is at index 1, and so on. Here we are iterating through a single-dimensional array. We often use loops such as for each loops to process each element in the array. In this code, we calculate the sum of the elements in the numbers array. The for each loop iterates through each element and adds to the sum. Let's move on to multidimensional arrays, which are basically arrays of arrays. In Java, you specify multiple sets of square brackets to define the dimensions. This declares a 3 by 3 matrix, which is a 2D array of integers. Here's another example of multidimensional array. In this example, we use 2D array to represent student performance across multiple semesters. Calculate the average scores of each student and print the results. We've defined a 2D array named student performance. This array is initialized with data for 3 students and their performance in 4 different semesters. Each row represents a student and each column represents a semester. Now let's see how we can use the multidimensional array to calculate and display the average score for each student. In this code, we use nested loops to iterate through 2D array. The outer loop, it is right here. The outer loop iterates over students, which are the rows, and the inner loop iterates over these semesters, which are the columns. We calculate the total score of each student by summing up the scores for all semesters, which is done by this code of line. Then we calculate the average scores for each student by dividing the total score by the number of semesters. And finally, we print out the average score for each student. So this is my video for giving you a better understanding of single and multidimensional arrays. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you.